Yo, what's up, everyone? And let's begin today's live streaming sessions. Okay, so hopefully, everyone do really like my content, and let's begin today live sessions. Okay, so let me see something first. Yo, what's up, everyone? Okay, so let's begin today live sessions. So hopefully everyone prepare yourself and let's do some analysis. Okay, so let's close down everything and hopefully the internet connection is actually quite smooth. Okay, so the first thing first, let's do some analysis about the dollar index. Okay, so let's try analysis. Okay, so let's close down everything and hopefully the internet connection is actually quite smooth. Testing, one, two, okay, three. So the first thing first, let's do some analysis about the dollar index. Okay, so let's try. Testing, one, two, three. Let's see, is the voice is actually quite good. Testing, one, two, three. Okay, so let's begin today's live session. So I think that today won't be have anyone to watch my live stream sessions, but it's okay because we just starting on. And remember, if you wanted to know more about it, give us a like and subscribe. Okay, so remember to give us a like and subscribe and do follow us on the YouTube channel. Okay, and we'll be doing live streaming sessions every day from 10 to 11. So hopefully everyone do really enjoy it. Okay, so let's go back to the analysis. So remember to press the like and subscribe button. Okay, so like and subscribe button. Okay, so let's go back to the overall market situations. Let's see, the chart is still quite good. Seems a bit burly, but I think still considerable quite okay. So the first thing first is the dollar index, okay? Because dollar index is actually swiping off, and I already mentioned that we are likely to see that the price is going back to the top side. So I think this might be a liquidity sweep or swiping below. So let's see where is the damn supporting level. So right now we do see that there's a really strong support around 69, 68. So I think here is actually a really strong supporting level. So let's see where is it. So I think it should be around here. It's actually a really strong supporting level. So let's see, can we draw it out? I think the charts. So let's see. The supporting level should be around here. So I think we can actually adjust it here around. I think it should be around this level, have a major supporting level. And we do expected that the dollar index is likely to continue going higher. So today, I think let's talk about the trend of overall of the market. So the first thing first, we are expectations that the dollar index is going higher. So this is the first thing. So right now, I think that the market is swiping off and will be likely to continue going higher. So overall, we will be estimate everyone to continue doing shorts on the Euro USD and doing long on the silver pairings as well. But right now, I think everyone is quite curious about what is happening on the gold. To be honest, I don't really think that the gold will be going higher. You can see that I have been writing down this is what I'm expecting to. Right now, I can see that the price is actually spiking off and reaching through this major resistance area. So where is the resistance area? And I already expectations that the major resistance area is 78, 79, around the area spiking off. And let's see how the price reacting on here. Is it acceptance around this level or is the price wanted to go lower? So let's see. Let's see how's the color. Still quite okay. Not bad. Okay, maybe we can change the color, will be much more much more much more nicer. So let's see color of white. Okay, so we'll be continue doing live streaming sessions every single day. So remember to give us a like and subscribe button. Okay, give us a like and subscribe. So like and subscribe, give us that. Okay, so right now what can we see? We can see that the market is actually reaching back to this major resistance area, and our expectation is that the price will be slightly to be slowing down. So right now we can see that the market has been reaching through this second hour and already announcing on the data. So I'm not so sure what is happening from the data, but I can see is lower the expectations, I guess. Guess is most likely is lower than expectations. So let's see the data so that we can have a much more clearer idea what is happening. But I think it's a bit lagging, so it's okay. But let's see how's the data. I think the data is high, lower than expectations. That's why that the dollar index has been spiking back to the higher sides. Let's see. The data has been reaching to 5. Yeah, I think it's actually higher than expected, lower than expectations. That's why we see that the dollar index has been forming back towards some kind of supporting level. So either way, this has been causing some kind of support from the dollar index, and we do expectations that the dollar index will be slightly to continue going higher and maybe reaching back towards on the higher side. So this week, the best entry level and the best setup we are actually giving out is the Euro USD pairings. Euro USD pairings is actually a really good trading that I'm giving out quite a lot, quite a long time. So you can actually look through on the Euro USD pairings, and expectations that the price of Euro USD will be continue going lower. And apart from that, we can actually look on other pairings like gold. Gold is actually facing some kind of pressure, so we need to see some kind of evidence saying that the price wanted to go lower. If that's the case, we might be can try do shots and speculations that the price going back to the lower side. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, so right now we are seeing a really major resistance area. To be honest, I don't really expect the market to continue breaking through new high because there's a lot of factors that I'm not likely to see that the price going higher. So I will be much more leaning that the price will be going ranging, but let's see how it turns out. So if the price really go back to the high, then we might be seeing that the price reaching back towards this level, maybe the daily high. There's a possibility that the price might be reaching back to daily high, but let's see how it turns out, okay? Because right now the dollar index has been facing some kind of major price movement, so I do think that it's having some kind of problem at the moment. So let's see. So we can see that this is the daily high. So I do expecting that this is actually a resistance area. So I do expect the price will be slowing down. So if the price do really slow down, where is it going to? Should be going back to the lower sides. Okay. So hopefully everyone do really like my content. If you do really like my content, please give us a like and subscribe. Okay, like and subscribe, and we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day, and we'll be also doing problem challenge in the in the future. But to be honest, right now I don't think that is a really good time to trade, especially that the market momentum it's not quite strong. So at most, I can really think that every single day, and we'll be also doing problem challenge in the future. Like and subscribe. Okay, like and subscribe, and we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day, and we'll be also doing problem challenge in the future. But to be honest, right now I don't think that is a really good time to trade, especially that market momentum it's not Okay, so right now I'm thinking that the price should be going back to the lower side. So where is it going to? Should be reaching back towards on the lower side. Seems like it's spiking off on the last push. So my expectation is that the price of dollar index will be reaching back to the top sides because this one is actually slowing down. So reaching here, forming back another push. So if the price do really push up, I do think that the price should be going back towards on the higher sides. So the GBP and the Euro USD will be keep on doing short positions. Silver, we are already giving out saying that the price will be going higher. So remember about that. So hopefully everyone do give us like and subscribe. Okay. So yeah. Seems like everything is looking smooth. It's actually quite good. Hmm. Okay. So hopefully everyone do like and subscribe. Okay. Other than that, I'm thinking silver, I mean gold is actually going lower. And if the gold is going lower, where can we expect it to? Should be reaching back towards on this supporting level. Seems like the price is actually reaching through an accumulation it. So if the price really wanted to break through on the top sides, I do think that the price should be and slowing down at the moment, reaching back. So we do see that the price is actually reaching back towards this resistance area. So overall, my expectation is that the price should be reaching through this resistance area, accumulations it's and speculations. The price might be reaching back towards on the 67. I guess 67 is actually a really strong supporting level. So I'm actually expectations that the price might be going back to 67. So let's see. So Matthew, any comment? I think Matthew has been coming. Okay, so what's your thought? I think everything is looking good. Our live streaming sessions. Okay, like and subscribe. And everything is actually looking good. So I think right now we just need to be consistency and should be fine at the moment. Okay, so give us a like and subscribe, everyone. Okay, let's see. Is there any uh, like and subscribe? Let's see. Uh, wait，怎么会这样的？看看下线。Okay, so we'll be continue doing live streaming sessions. Okay, seems like the market wanted to go higher, so not looking quite good. Dollar index should be ranging out. Gold market might be continue going higher. We continue doing live streams. Seems like the gold market might be continue going higher and break through this high and see how it turns out later on. The momentum is a bit strong, so if we actually speculate that the price going low, it's not quite logical to be honest. So seems like the market wanted to go higher. So if I really wanted to do long positions, I'm probably trying to do on this level. So the price is actually slowing down And I do speculate that we'll be able to do a long position starting from here and try to get back to the top sides. So right now, I'm thinking that the price is actually accumulating it and likely to break through the previous daily high, maybe 84, 85. So let's see. But the price momentum is a bit strong. So let's see how it turns out. Okay, so let's see. Price do really reach through this resistance area, and price might be going back, accumulating quite strong. So this is my speculations. To be honest, I'm actually thinking that the dollar index is going higher. So not so sure this will be affected on the gold market because we can't really use gold market, I mean dollar index to predict the gold market to be honest, but we can use it as a reference. Okay. Okay, I think we have some. Hey, hello Matthew. How was it? I think I can saw it, but quite blur the charts. Yeah, I think it's quite blur on the charts. Oh, the charts is quite blur. Uh, Maybe need to adjust it again. Scene 5. Let's see. This one. Wait, shit. Yeah, okay. Uh, we cannot, huh? Let's see. Let's adjust it. Seems like it's a bit blur. The comment sections look like what? Look okay. The charts. Yeah, the charts is okay, but the chart is actually quite blurry. I think the charts is actually quite blurry. Yeah, I think it's actually quite blurry. Uh, shit，怎么一直调了？嗯诶诶，shit，I can't adjust it 啊。Oh, fuck. Think might just stick with this one 啊。Can't make it fine with it. Just stick with it 啦。OK 啦，没有问题啦。Let's make it a bit bigger. Okay, then it should be fine. Fuck，不能太大。OK 啊，should be fine. Quite okay. A bit smaller then should be fine with it. Okay, can uh, can't do much, but should be fine 了。Okay, OK 啦，整体来看的话，OK. So need to lock out the screen first 啦。Okay. Okay, so let's see the gold market. Gold market is actually going higher. Seems like it's wanted to go higher. So expectations that price might be breaking through this level. Seems like wanted to go higher, breaking through, accumulation it. So should be wanted to go higher, break through this top already. So um, dollar index is going higher, but the gold market is also going higher as well. So yeah, I do think that the price of gold should be going higher. So if we wanted to do long positions, we'll be starting from here and speculations that the price is going higher. So today we just need to look through some of the factors. So one of the biggest factors is that the ISM. So just now we have been announcing the ISM service PMI is actually lower than expectations. That's why we can see that higher than expectations. So that's why we can see that the dollar index is actually going quite strong. So we are likely to see that the dollar index will be continue going higher. So this week, I actually giving out some thoughts about it. So this week, the best trading pairings should be the Euro USD because we do speculate that the Euro USD is going lower and reaching back towards on this lower side. So overall, my expectations that the Euro USD will be continue going lower and reaching back towards on the downsides. And silver, we are much more leading to see that the price will be going higher. So yeah, seems like the gold market will be also going higher as well. So let's see, maybe we can give out a trading signals as well. So let's see, can we give out a trading signals? So let's see, TP3. So gold market. So let's see. Seems like it's quite strong, going 1 hour time frame, reaching back. Oh, seems like I wanted to go higher already. Price didn't really reach through, going higher. Where can we do long? But I do think the price will be going back towards on the higher sides, reaching back 84 and going higher to 90. Seems like it. So yeah, I do speculate that the price will be going higher at the moment, reaching back to the previous daily high. So right now, don't try to do shorts. Think that the price will be continue going higher. Too bad we didn't really get this level. If not, we might be doing long positions from this level because this is actually a really good support. Too bad we didn't really get it. If not, I think we can actually get a really good risk ratio on this one. Seems like it's actually quite fast. So in the end, we are speculations that the price will be reaching back to this level. Okay. So remember everyone, give us a like and subscribe. Follow, like, and subscribe. Well, we have a person watching it already. Okay. So let's see. The uh, let's see. Um, I quite hard to find my channel as well because right now no not much people watching it. Mm-hmm. Quite okay lah. Thumbnail is actually looking quite good. So not bad. Yeah, I think we can actually do long positions. So let's see. Reaching back, slowing down. So I think we can actually do long positions. Need to find out where is the best area that we can actually do. So price looking back, looking at 1 hour time frame, reaching through. Seems like the price won't be going back to this level already. So if I wanted to do long, probably best is 74 already. So 74 is the best entry level. Maybe we can't really get 74. So the best is actually 75, 5, I mean 70, 76, 76 to 74 is actually a really good way to do long positions. So 76 to 74, we might be doing long positions on 76 to 74. Let's see. Okay, so for Chingshu, 76 to 74. I think this one won't be adjustable. So let's see, can we get this one 76, 76 to 74 area? 76 to 74 area. Not so sure can we get it to be honest. But this is the best area that we can actually do. If we do get it, I think we can actually easy to get 100 pips. I mean 3385 is actually quite easy to get it. But hopefully the price going lower first and then we can actually do long positions, reaching back to the daily high and likely to go back to 90. So price might be reaching back to 90 and then swiping on the lower sides. So yeah, you think yes, yeah, seems like it might be breaking through yesterday higher, but once the price breaking yesterday high, then the price might be slowing down. So this is my thought. Currently what I'm expecting to, because it seems like the momentum is a bit strong from this, even though this is actually a really strong resistance. So I do think that the price might be breaking through yesterday high, quite likely, and reaching back 90. Once price reaching 90 and then we'll be going back forming a big ranging level. This is my thought. I'm actually thinking that the gold market will be going a big ranging level from this few days. It's quietly likely happening because from the bigger time frame, we can actually see that the volatility of the market is actually slowing down. So using the bigger time frame, we can actually see some clue about it. So from here, the highest, lowest is actually slow, ranging. I mean, slightly to be slowing down. So I do think that the volatility will be keep on slowing and slowing and slowing. So I don't really think that the gold market will be breaking through this history new high already. So it should be going through a ranging level and much more leaning to go back to the lower sides. I do expecting that. But if you're asking me for the short term perspective, I do think that the gold market will be reaching through. I mean, breaking through new high, and once the price breaking through new high, and will be going back 90. 90 is the major resistance area, and let's see how it turns out. So in the meantime, doing long positions is actually much more higher probability. This is my thought about it. So not so sure lah. I do think that there's a possibility that the price strictly swipe off. Okay. Recently I do discover something that really quite advantage of it is actually silver is quite stable, comparable to gold. So we can see that the silver is actually quite stable comparable to gold. Gold is swiping highs and lows, but silver is actually quite solid on the uptrend momentum. So I might be focusing this week. I will be focusing on few pairings like the Euro USD. I'm actually thinking to do shorts. Expectations that the price will be going lower, maybe reaching back to this 1.14800. So it's actually quite good. Maybe getting 60 pips. But the risk reward ratio, I think we can actually get around to I think we can actually put this like 20 pips and we are getting 3 to 1. So, suddenly, yeah, 3 to 1 risk reward ratio is actually quite good. But I think that it's quite possible today will be going ranging. So, tomorrow might be reaching back to the downsides. So, yeah, let's see on the dollar index first. But I do think that the gold market will be breaking through new high. I mean, not new high, previous daily high. And once the price reaching daily high, then the price might be reaching through this level. Okay. So remember everyone, give us a like and subscribe and follow my here. So far, no, don't have any problem. It'll be going ranging. So tomorrow might be reaching back to the downsides. So yeah, let's see on the dollar index first. I do think that the gold market will be breaking through new high. I mean, not new high, previous daily high. Okay. Not so sure can we go back to the lower sides. If we do you think the price might be reaching back towards this level and then continue breaking through this top sides. So let's see how it turns out. Okay. I do think the price might be reaching back to the top side. Hmm. Uh, seems like it's actually breaking through new high. Too bad we didn't really get back to this level. Hmm. If we can actually do long in this bottom level. Should be much more suitable to get a long positions around this level. Quite aggressive for this one. Hmm. Let's see. Can we have any clue about it? This one. I think the best is 3370. 3370 is actually quite good. So I think the price should be likely to break through this one. 3370, 3370. Shit. Mm-hmm. 3370. I do think the price should be going back to this level. 3370. Yeah. Yeah, should be around this level. Okay. So I do think the price should be likely to break through new higher. So if that's the case, I think the price should be highly chances to break through this new high and going back to this level. So let's see. I think it's quite possible that price should be going back to this level. So if that's the case, I think the price should be reaching back to daily high. A bit worried about my Euro USD pairings, but can't do much about it. In the best scenario, we can actually do long positions is around this level. So remember everyone, give us a like and subscribe and give us some supports. Like and subscribe. I think we can actually put. Okay, so I do think the price should be reaching back towards the daily high and going back towards on the higher sides. Seems like the price should be continue breaking daily high already. Quite strong. So let's discuss about right now what is the economy situation. So currently we can see that the US economy is actually slowing down. So we can see that the US economy situations is actually not strong. Okay, Powell has been saying that the economy situations is not that strong, and overall we might be seeing some kind of slowing down. So we do expecting that uh Federal Reserve will be slightly to be reducing interest rates in September. So that's why this might be causing this major push. But let's see how it turns out. Okay, what I can currently see is that the dollar index will be going back towards on the higher sides, maybe reaching back 99 or 99.20 area, and then after that might be reaching back to the lower sides. But currently, I'm expectations that the dollar index will be going higher. So just continue doing shots on Euro USD and see how it turns out. GBP USD is still on the ranging sides. So yeah, Wow, you can see that the silver is actually going quite strong and reaching back towards on the higher sides. Okay, not so sure about it, but yeah, silver is actually going higher, quite stable, comparable to other pairings. Okay, and gold, yeah, I do think it's actually reaching back towards on the higher sides. Reaching back towards on the top sides. Too bad we really can't trade about from it. Trend is ranging. Mm, downtrend is correct, but didn't expected that this level. Seems like this is a major supporting level. So the price has been showing some kind of signs and going above. Okay, so let's see how the price react about from it. Okay, so right now we are expectations that the gold will be breaking through this previous daily high and see how it turns out. Okay, the best situation is that we can actually do long from 70, but too bad we didn't really get it. If not, I think we can actually easy to get back to 150 pips or even much more higher to 100 pips. I think it's quite likely to see the price to break through daily high for my perspective. And from the silver, we can see that it's actually continue going higher, and Euro USD is actually forming a ranging, and not so sure about the dollar index, maybe forming a ranging level afterwards. So a lot of factors will be happening. Okay, so give us a like and subscribe if you do really like my content. Please give us a like and subscribe, and do follow my live streaming sessions. Okay, this one we can actually put on this, make it much more bigger. Ah, there. Okay, so hopefully everyone do really like our content and give us some support. Okay, so remember to give us some like and subscribe. Okay, so I do think the price should be reaching back towards on the higher sides and breaking through this previous daily high. And let's see how it turns out. Okay, so if you do have any questions, give us some comment sections below, and I'll be keep on letting you guys know what we need to change about it. Okay, dollar index. Oh, seems like dollar index wanted to go lower. Hmm, Not so sure. Dollar index is going lower, then Euro USD might be having some problem. Hmm. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see. Hmm. Shit. The momentum is not coming out. It's a bit hard to estimate that the market situations, to be honest. But to be much more exact, I do think that the dollar index might be slowing down for a moment. Um, let's see. From the 1 hour perspective, we can see that the price is actually from here, 16, 17. Uh, this might be a little bit problem. Mm, 80 to 60 pips. Price is actually going lower. Uh, Seems like the gold is going higher as well. Uh, Seems like the dollar index might be weakening down already. And reaching back, we do see that the Euro USD might be reaching back towards on the higher sides. Hmm, don't expect a trend first. Seems like there's a lot of problems, especially on GBP US, I mean Euro USD. Hmm, let's see where we giving out. Euro USD 669. Yeah, I don't think the price 496 8 pips. Uh, mm, Shit. Okay, I think today the live streaming sessions is actually quite good. Overall, my looks is actually quite okay. The picture is quality is quite okay, and the the charts sites is actually quite okay as well. So yeah, I think today the session is actually quite good. Seems like the gold market will be going high first, so a bit skeptical about it. Uh, Price might be reaching back to the top sides, then should be going back to the lower sides already after that. Reaching back 70, sell one lot. Mm, Seems like the price should be going back to the top sides. Uh-huh. Uh, Too bad. Euro USD price still really close below. I think I might be closing out every positions. Seems like it's not looking good. Dollar index is actually going quite high as well. So we'll be continue seeing and how it turns out. Okay. So anyway, this is our thoughts about it. So if you do really like our content, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. And we'll be doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday from 10 to 11. Okay, so this is give us a like and subscribe. Okay, like and subscribe and push the bell. Okay, so that you can notify once we do have any sessions. Okay, so it seems like the gold market will be breaking through this new high And once the price do breaking through this new high, we'll be expecting that the price will be going through 90. And once the price going back 90, then we might be seeing something else lah. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is our thoughts about the market. Seems like the Euro USD might be going a bit lower, and then I might be asking everyone to close it out. Seems like it's not looking quite good. So I think I might be closing out on break even for the something. Because seems like the dollar index might be going bit lower. So the price do really go back. I think I might be closing on break even point. So 395 even. Okay, so I think we'll be continue to see how it turns out. And from the gold market perspective, we'll be continue to look through and see how it turns out. So I think it's quite highly chances is that the price will be breaking through this previous daily high. So it's likely happening, breaking through this daily high, and speculations that the price should be reaching back towards on 90. Once the price going back to 90, we might be seeing some kind of drawback. So this is what we will be seeing it. But to be honest, I do really think that it's much more leaning to the price will be going through a ranging. So my speculation is that the price might be going back to the top. Then after that, the price should be slowing down. Okay, so this is my thought about it. So likely to reach through the previous daily high. So let's see. Okay, so this is the previous daily high and 600 bucks. Okay, so this is our thoughts about it. And overall, we'll be keep on doing long positions and speculations that price will be going back to the top sites. So this is my thoughts about it. So give us a like and subscribe.
回一个 higher low，OK，它其实我有看到它是想要突破上去，你看这一波上来的时候，它有这个概率是想要突破，但是没有办法突破，它是跌到这里啊，就是错了一个 higher low，OK，然后这里的一个高点跟这里的一个高点相比，昨天有讲一点什么东西，就是如果它要真正的换了一个形态的话，OK，它必须是要突破。
Okay, so we do see that the market will be reaching through this previous daily high, and let's see how it turns out. Oh shit. Seems like the price might be going back towards on the higher sides as well. Fuck. Okay, so we do see that the market will be climbing is actually everything. Oh shit. Boom, 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 boom. Slowing down. 629. Yeah, seems like the dollar index is going lower for now. Forming a big ranging level. Thinking that price might be reaching back, but seems like the price didn't really wanted to go higher, so should be going back towards the lower sides. But if that's the case, we might be seeing the USD to go back to the low higher sides. 669. Hmm. Okay, so we'll be ending our live streaming sessions later on. So we'll be ending our live streaming sessions about ending about another 4 minutes. So if you do have any questions, please leave at the comment section below. If you wanted to have some any analysis on other pairings and so on, just press the like and subscribe. So remember to press the like and subscribe and give us continue to support our live streaming sessions. We'll be continue doing live streaming sessions every single day from Monday to Friday, and from Monday to Friday from 10 to 11. Okay, so this is our live streaming session. So hopefully everyone do really like our content. Give us a like, subscribe, and follow us. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I do think the price should be breaking through and going back to 9-0. So we'll be ending our live streaming sessions in another 2 minutes. Okay. So Matthew, I have been adjusting the like and subscribe. You can see it's much more obvious. Okay. Like and subscribe. Can see it. This one is actually much more. I think it's much more clear. Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay. Like and subscribe. I think this one look more nicer than putting this level because if we do put this level, I think it's really hard to see. Very rare Tuesday have pink swing. Not so sure this is considered a big swing, but I do expect the price should be starting to face a major resistance on 9-0. So my expectation is that the price going back and then slowing down, reaching back towards this level. So at this moment, I'm thinking the price should be reaching 9-0. The maximum will be going back 9-0. So overall, this is my expectations for now. And let's see. I'm quite doubt that the gold market will be continue going higher, to be honest. So my speculation is that should be reaching back 9-0 and then swiping back to the lower side. Okay. Yes, can see. So thank you for everyone joining, and let's hope for Matthew also watching my live streaming sessions tomorrow onwards as well, and we'll be continue doing it. And the problem challenge will be starting it. I think should be around tomorrow, because recently have some problem issues about it, but we will be starting as soon as possible. Okay, so give us a like and subscribe. And Matthew, hopefully we can see you tomorrow as well. Okay, so thank you for everyone joining and give us a like and subscribe. Remember to like and subscribe and follow my live streaming sessions. Okay, we'll be starting every day from 10 to 11, and hopefully everyone have a nice week, nice day, and see you guys soon.